So let's delete few things from our drivers app. I'm going to delete this predicted places. We don't need that. Delete anyway. And this search places screen and this place prediction tile. And then we can also delete precise pickup location, and I'm going to add a new model, driver data. So here I'm going to add few things later, and before that let's go to our main page and remove this center widget. Here, before we start writing our UI design, I'm going to write some variable like tab controller int selected index equals to 0 on item clicked int index. Set state selected index equals to index tab controller dot index equals to selected index, and in here we can write init state tab controller equals to tab controller length 4 using this. We have to add here with single ticker provider state mixin, and here we can add bool dark theme equals to media query dot of context dot platform brightness equals to brightness dot dark. And in our scaffold body we can write tab bar view physics never scroll scroll physics, and controller tab controller children home tab page earnings tab page ratings tab page. And here we can add bottom navigation bar items bottom navigation bar item icons dot home. I can add label home. And profile tab page. I'm going to comment out this for now. Copy this and paste it 3 more times. Instead of home, I can add credit card, earnings, and then star, ratings, and person for account. And below this we can add some unselected item color. Before that, let's run this. We can see some icons here, but as they are white, we can't notice them. So let's change item color to dark theme, then colors dot black 54 or colors dot white 54, and selected item color to dark theme, colors dot black and colors dot white. Background color dark theme, colors dot amber dot shade 400 or colors dot blue. Type bottom navigation bar, type dot fixed, then selected label style, text style, font size 14, and show unselected list to true, and current index equals to selected index, and on tab on item clicked. Now we can see our bottom navigation bar. Now in our lib we can add a new directory called tab pages. Here we can add dart file home underscore tab, then earning underscore tab, and profile underscore tab, and ratings underscore tab. In our home tab we can add import material.dart, then stateful widget, home tab, page, and here we can add our Google Map controller, the new Google Map controller, then final completer Google Map controller, underscore controller Google Map equals to completer. Now I can add this camera position, our default camera position, then we can write var geolocator equals to geolocator, and location permission status string, status text equals to now offline, and color button color equals to colors dot gray. Bool is driver active equals to false. Now let's add two more functions from our users app. Here in our main screen we can just copy this and paste it here, and then we can copy our locate user position and paste it here. Instead of user current position we are going to write driver current position in our global.dart. Position driver current position. Driver current position, driver current position. Here also write driver current position. Here instead of this user current position we have to write driver current position, and we can remove this and also remove this one. We can write assistant methods dot no, let's not write anything else. Instead of this user position, we are going to write driver position. And now let's add init state. Check if location permission allowed, and we are going to write another new function here, read current driver information, and make it asynchronous. Current user equals to firebase auth dot current user. Firebase database dot instance dot ref dot child drivers dot child current user dot uid. Then once then snap. If snap dot snapshot dot value is not equals to null, then we can write we have to add another thing in our main global.main. Driver. Okay, before that we have to add our model class, create our model class. So driver data string id string name. I can just copy and paste it few more times. Now let's change them. Phone, email, address, car color, car model, car number, driver data, this dot id, then this dot name, this dot phone, this dot email, this dot address, this dot car model, this dot car number, and this dot car color. And now in our global.dart we can write driver data to online driver data equals to driver data. And let's go back to our home page and finish our function. So online driver data dot id equals to snapshot dot value as map id. We can copy it and paste it few more times, and instead of id we can write name, phone, email, address. So name, phone, email and address. Now let's add this few more times for car details. Car details again. Car underscore model, car underscore number and car underscore color. Car model, car number and car color. And let's add another variable here, string driver vehicle type so driver vehicle type equals to snapshot dot value as map car underscore details and type. Now after this check if location permission allowed, we can write read current driver information. Alright, now let's design our UI. So for that I'm going to add stack, and here I'm going to add children, Google Map, padding, edge insets dot only top 40, and map type should be map type dot normal. Then we can add my location enabled to true then zoom gesture enabled to true, and zoom controls enabled to true. Initial camera position k googleplex on map created, Google Map controller underscore controller Google Map dot complete controller. New Google Map controller equals to controller. And locate driver position. Now let's run our app. We have to enable this home tab page. It's not asking for permission, and okay, we have to change our location from here. We can change this to set location. Now if we run this again, then you can see that our location changes. Okay, there seems to be some error. Let's check what is the error here. Position. Now it's working fine, and now we can write UI for online driver. Now we can write UI for online or offline driver. So status text not equals to now online, then container height media query dot of context dot size dot height with double dot infinity, and colors dot black 87. And if not, then empty container. Now button for online offline driver, position top, status text not equals to now online, then media query dot off context dot size dot height 0.45 or 40, left 0, right 0, child row, main axis alignment dot center, children elevated button on pressed, if is driver active, not equals to true, then driver is online now. Update driver's location at real time. Set state status text equals to now online. Is driver active equals to true, and button color to colors dot transparent. Else driver is offline now. Set state status text equals to now offline. Is driver active equals to false. Button color equals to colors dot gray. Flutter toast dot show toast, you are offline now. Style elevated button dot style form, primary button color, padding, edge insets dot symmetric, horizontal 18, shape rounded rectangle border, border radius dot circular to 26, and child equals to status text, not equals to now online, then text equals to status text, style text style, font size 16, font weight dot bold, colors dot white, icons dot phone link underscore ring, colors dot white, size 26. Now let's write these functions. Driver is online now, asynchronous, position, pause, just await, geolocator dot get position, desired accuracy, location accuracy dot high, driver current position equals to pause, Geofire dot initialize, Geofire dot initialize active drivers, Geofire dot set location to current user dot uid, driver current location dot latitude, driver current location dot longitude, database reference ref equals to firebase database dot instance dot ref dot child drivers dot child current user dot uid dot child new ride status ref dot set to idle and ref dot on value dot listen now let's write two more functions. Update drivers location at real time stream subscription. Before that we have to add two more variables. Stream subscription position stream subscription position and another stream subscription position stream subscription driver live position. Now let's go back to our home page and write this function stream subscription position equals to geolocator dot get position stream dot listen position if is driver active equals to true, then geofire dot set location current user dot uid driver current position dot latitude driver current position dot longitude. Latlang equals to latlang driver current position dot latitude and driver current position dot longitude. New Google Map controller dot animate camera update dot new latlang now if driver is offline now, then geofire dot remove location current user dot uid database reference ref equals to firebase database dot instance dot ref dot child drivers dot child current user dot uid dot child new ride status. Ref on disconnect, reference on reference remove, reference equals to null. Future dot delayed duration milliseconds 2000 system channels dot platform dot invoke method system navigator dot pop. Now if we run this again, here if I hit now offline, then we can see new ride status to idle. And if I hit this again, then you are offline now, and it's automatically deleted new ride status. Here inside our real-time database, we can go to rules, and yours one should look like this. So I'm going to write active drivers index on to G. That's it. Now you can publish it.